AC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a very nice spring-like day. Here we are in the dead of winter. Officially, our highs and lows at their lowest point through the next couple of weeks, but we do not see real winter weather anytime soon. I'm going to talk a little bit more about that coming up tonight at 10. First off, though, in the near term, let's go outside. Justin Terro getting our weather shot after the stratiform clouds moved out, and then we had a mix of some high clouds and just a few lower clouds, even a little bit of a jet contrail here. It's not a chemtrail. It's a jet contrail. It's made of water vapor and exhaust, like from a car at 30,000 feet. So beautiful day to be out there catching some sunshine as well. So let's kick it upstairs, and we're back in the clouds thanks to the subtropical jet stream, a ridge of high pressure anchored over by the Gulf. This gradually breaks down. We kind of have what we call a zonal flow across the U.S., which is keeping all the Arctic air well to the north in the northern part of Canada over by Greenland. And then we got this big storm system in the west. This is going to be a weather maker. Part of it splits off in the northwest. Part of it at the southern flank will split off and get caught in the subtropical jet stream and eventually deliver some rain to our area. That looks to happen around Saturday. So here we have that subtropical jet in the clouds, a little bit of a frontal boundary mixed in, but you can't really see much of a turn in the winds until you get up toward Oklahoma. But we do expect a cool front on the way as we get to about this time tomorrow. Meanwhile, southerly winds and temperatures and dew points meeting up could make the argument for some sea fog to move in tonight. So we'll be watching that trend very closely. High clouds out there help to inhibit fog development, but we do think we're going to see some of that developing later on this evening. We'll have an update for you tonight at 10. Got into the low to mid 70s, 74 the official high in Lafayette today, and we'll probably equal that tomorrow. Meanwhile, right now, mild temperatures, mid 60s offshore, light winds, low seas. And if you got fog in the forecast, that may stick around, so count on low ceilings and visibilities out in the Gulf of Mexico as well. In fact, here's our latest futurecast indicating patchy dense fog, primarily I-10, maybe Highway 190 corridor on southward down toward the coast where the moisture will be thickest at that point, and then it lifts quickly. But notice the fog sticking around through the daytime hours tomorrow just offshore, which could affect some crew changeovers. So as we look at our futurecast, the fog coming in, some clouds as well, maybe a few sprinkles out there, but rain chances 20% or less for tomorrow. I think we see some breaks as we get into the midday hours. That gets us into the 70s, so a few intervals of sun. Here comes that front pushing on through tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow evening, the winds turning out of the north, and then cooler air moving as we head into Wednesday morning. We'll be into the 40s for sure, and a nice sunny and cool Wednesday, and it looks like it'll be a nice and cool Thursday as well. In fact, as we look at the European model, here's that next storm system queuing up as we go into Friday. Clouds on the increase, maybe a shower or two, but then as we go into Saturday, it looks like high rain chances, periods of rain, a rainy day, but we don't think that we're going to see anything too heavy nor any kind of severe weather threat. Right now, we're thinking an inch or less, but we'll get a better beat on rainfall totals as we get closer to the weekend. Then high pressure moving in for Sunday. It looks to be breezy and cooler for sure behind that next weather system Saturday. So temperatures tonight, upper 50s to lower 60s with that fog mixed in with nearly calm winds. Tomorrow, low to mid 70s. Then the cool air comes in tomorrow night. We'll see readings getting down into the mid to upper 40s locally. And then for Wednesday afternoon, temperatures cooler, upper 50s to lower 60s, but that's where they should be this time of year. Mid 70s, we're about 12, 13 degrees above normal today and for tomorrow. So fair and mild early with the fog and clouds moving on in through daybreak, and then some misty drizzles mixed in. So tomorrow could be wet roads in spots and kind of low visibility. Keep that in mind. Few intervals of afternoon sun get us up into the low to mid 70s again tomorrow afternoon. The GFS model is going for 78 tomorrow. Can't buy that quite yet. Gulf of Mexico still keeps us cool. As we go through Wednesday and Thursday, highs closer to the 50s, lows dipping down upper 30s to lower 40s. Don't see much of a chance of a frost in the forecast until maybe next Tuesday morning, but the bottom line, winter has been relatively mild. It's going to stay that way in spite of cooler temperatures ahead, and rain for Saturday, but Sunday looking better and brighter, of course, at 3:40 in the afternoon, with anticipation in my household,
That's right.
mainly me, on the way up. I can't wait.
All right, looking forward to it. Thanks, Rob.